everyone, this is Elisa with WTI. I don't know about you, but I just started using retinoid for my skincare routine and I've been loving it. If you're looking to improve your skin, you definitely need to check the Sunday Riley A+ High-Dose Anti-Aging Retinol Serum. I love this product so much. The fact that you just need a little bit to see a difference, that's something I really appreciate. I promise you're gonna love this product. This will help reduce the age lines, the wrinkles, it replenishes your skin, and it even hydrates it. I have seen a great difference. I love the fact that this product by Sunday Riley also has been balanced with botanical extract, which is perfect since I'm always paying attention to the ingredients. I also appreciate that it has this delicious honey scent. I have definitely seen an improvement on my skin. I love how the fine lines have diminished and how my skin is starting to look. I highly recommend this product by Sunday Riley, and that is my point of view.